What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have another Starbucks video for you guys. So I'm trying out my bangs again, seeing how I feel, kind of living for them when it's up, when it's down not so much, but we kind of love. But for today's video I tried the chai tea latte a couple of videos ago, and I'm a girl who loves tea. I prefer tea rather than coffee. And I just like, you know what, I'm just gonna try the chai tea latte, and it was freaking amazing. So I decided I'm gonna try another tea today because they're so good. So the tea we're gonna be trying today is the Iced Royal English Breakfast Tea Latte. It is a freaking mouthful, but it sounds really, really good. So I decided I'm gonna try it. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go to Starbucks. Hey, can I get a tall Iced Royal English Breakfast Tea Latte?
For sure. 7 at the window.
Thank you.
You want something?
I still have to get my drink, just in case I didn't like this one. So we'll see.
Oh.
Thank you.
Have a great one.
You too. Here we have it. It looks beautiful. Okay guys, so here we have our tea. Let me explain what it is. It says a select blend of rich full leaf black teas from India and Sri Lanka, sweetened with liquid cane sugar combined with milk and ice. So it sounds amazing. It was $3, and I think it was either 65 or 95 cents. I don't remember. I got my drink also, so I don't have like the exact total for you guys, but I'm actually really, really excited to try it. It looks so pretty. Like, I'm obsessed. But like I said, I'm more of a tea girl than a coffee girl, so I'm gonna be trying a lot more teas soon, or coming up. So let's try it. It's very plain. Like, you taste tea in it, but you don't taste the... Maybe next time I should add a little bit more sugar, because it literally just tastes like watered down tea. Like, very watered down tea. Like, it's not sweetened or anything like that, which isn't a problem. Because I know some people don't like theirs like sweet, on the sweeter side. They like it more on the tea side. But this does, like, it literally tastes like water with a hint of tea. So like, maybe if I added an extra pump, is it, of cane sugar, it might taste a little bit better. Or if I add like a pump of vanilla in there, it might taste so good. Cinnamon dolce, like, you can add stuff to this and I feel like it would make it taste so good. So honestly, I would rate it like a 7 out of 10 because it's not bad. Like, it tastes good. It's just very boring and plain, and I kind of like flavor, you know what I mean? So like, it's boring and plain, but it's fine. But yeah, 7 out of 10, which isn't bad. It could be worse. It could literally be a 0 out of 10, but it's not. But next time I'm definitely gonna add another pump of cane sugar in there. Would I get it again? Yeah, probably, because it's cheap and it's good. It tastes like tea. I like tea. So like, if you like tea, I recommend trying it and then adding a little twist to it if you want to. Add a little bit more sugar, add a little bit of vanilla, add a little bit of cinnamon dolce in there, a little peppermint. I don't know about peppermint. Peppermint probably not. I take it back. No peppermint in here. But I totally recommend this. I just wish it had a little bit more sugar in there. Don't you like hate when you get something and you taste it and you're like, all I need is a little sugar, and you already left Starbucks and you're just like, I wish I knew this before. But it's all good. It's Gucci. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you prefer tea or coffee. I prefer tea, obviously, but coffee is growing on me. It's not bad, so like, I will still drink it for like videos and stuff, but like I said, I like tea a little bit better, and that's okay. That's okay. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you next one. Bye.